So that's what I'm saying, plus uhlebana vele church ngeke kuzokuphela. And uhlebana brother Kiss kuyisa abantu abaningi esontweni. Kodwa into enzokutshela yona brother Kiss mabe hlebe wena remember lawo wakwahleba omunye umuntu. Imlomo yabantu bonke church noma ngaze ngiyibone vele yakihleba omunye umuntu brother Kiss. Khumbula na ukuthi uyakuhlebe nawe. La ungeza ubuhlungu phela. Ngoba la uyakuhleba omunye musi. Why unisiza ubuhlungu kangaka ngaso kuhlethwe wena? Even khona be studio kona akula mntu ongakazi ukukhuluma ngomunye umuntu kona. Angithi have you seen ukuthi people today in our days especially even me angithi I'm a preacher ngithi umuntu engaba yipreacher secabanga ukuthi yena urecognized ezulwini. Umuntu engakwazi ukwenza imanga njengokuthi aphulukise umuntu ogulayo amsindise amkhulekela asindi. Secabanga ukuthi yena ezulwini bayamazi. Ithi ukuthi you can give but you don't have love. You can give out of yourself maybe self ambitions ukuthi maybe ufuna ukubonakala. We understand, or you just give because you have. Phela ukhona umuntu opha ngoba vele nakho. We understand. So uthando yini ikuba nesihawu brother Chris, you understand? If you see somebody, just sympathize with them, you understand, and feel like what if it was me? Uthando lwabazali to abantwana it's fake. You know why? It's conditional. Umntwana we only love nami ngizosifaka phakathi. We only love children unconditionally when they are young. Mase bakhulile we love them conditionally. You know ukuthi ngikhuliswa yini lokho? Have you seen ukuthi umntwana ngithi phela abakhona abazali ukuthi brother Kiss mayezala umntwana.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Me, I do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell as well as change the membership. And thank you so much. Our details shown after the disclaimer. If you wanna donate, please do so. We wanna give 20 families food parcels, so please help us to reach that. And also we want to take 10 kids to school with brand new shoes, so please do that. And yeah, we would highly appreciate it. If you have a grocery, say, hey Chris, I can make a plan to bring it in studio. I have shoes that brand new shoes that I can maybe buy, bring it to a studio, please do so. We will appreciate it. Thank you so much. James, how are you on grace or what?
We on great grace.
Great grace.
It's God's time.
I love it, man. I love every time when we on grace.
Amen.
Ngiphethe ubaba umoyo uthi wanna talk about uthando, love.
And that's a very, very important
I love
topic.
love.
Because without love, not.
Yeah, God is love. So
God
you
is
see,
love.
this topic is broad.
It's very
Because without love,
there's no hope. There's nothing.
we hopeless.
wakhala usijava wathi thando ngiyabonga ngigeza izandla.
Asisho lo lakho lo lenzayo nje mandlala
Shilo now thando lu-broad.
yeah, but yeah, we're talking about uthando lempela nobaba umoyo. Tata lithini ixesha?
Ixesha likaYesu, it's God's time.
It's God's time. Ngiyabulela mntakwethu baba umoyo, siyakwamukela eshowini.
Yeah, ngiyajabula. Ngicabanga ukuthi sicale ngomthandazo oqala.
Okay, we can.
Okay, egameni likayise nelendodana nelikamoya ongcwele. Nkosi engcwele, Nkosi ephakeme, siyakhuleka egameni lakho. Sibonga sidumisa ukuphila okuvela kuwena. Sikalokho abanye bebefisile ukulibona lolu suku kodwa basalubonanga. Thina ngomuso senzele wona ukuthi sibe sihamba kulo mhlaba, usinikezile ithuba lokulungisisa amaphothetu. Siyakubonga, siyakudumisa. Kuphela izwe liyakufundwa namhlanje, malithole indawo ezinhlizweni zabantu, lithole izindawo lakithi sikhona kule ndawo. Siyancenga umuso ovela ezulwini bese ukuthi mhla icilongo lakho likhala usiya kusikhumbula kwakhumbuso. Siyakhuleka egameni elihle lenkosi yethu uJesu kuze kubena phakathi. Amen.
Amen.
So Chris, today ngifuna ukukhuluma ngothando. Sekalokho kwi-intro yakho laphana uke washo futhi ukuthi you wanna give. So which ukuthi uthando angithi it consists of giving. Uthando lu consist of many things angithi kunento eziningi phakathi kothando ngenxa ukuthi uthando is a broad topic ongakhuluma ngayo ilanga lonke angithi. So namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume ngothando ngenxa ukuthi incwadi mayikhuluma ithi love covers multiple is it what is it? Can you read is it 1 Petro 4 verse 8. Love covers multitude of sins. Yeah, anything. Is it 1 Petro 4 verse 8? Where it talks about love covers multitude of sins.
1 Peter.
Yes, 1 Peter
Okay, yes.
4 verse 8.
Okay, it reads as follows. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins.
Okay, angithi uyezwa lapha na Chris angithi. So ngaphandle kothando there is nothing we can do. Angithi. So what I can say ukuthi angithi uyabona ukuthi usathane manje phela uthando brother Chris isikhiye kuphela that only opens the gates of heaven. Akulesinye isikhiye esizakwazi ukuthi sivule amasango asezulwini ngaphandle kothando. Uyabona ukuthi usathane sebuyile wasirobha abantu abaningi wasibambisa izikhiye ezirong, and of which lezo zikhiye azivula umbuso wezulu. Angithi azizi ukukuvulela wena amasango ezulu, kodwa the only key that opens, and ngizokuprova futhi ngiyamavesi angithi go to 1 Corinthians 13. So uthando brother Chris yilo kuphela oluyisikhiye esikwazi ukuthi sivule amasango ezulu. Angithi kodwa if you can see ibandla la namhlanje usathane sebuyile wasibambisa izikhiye ezirong and esibambelele kizo kakhulu. We understand? So namhlanje ngizozithatha lezo zikhiye ngibisele ebantwini isikhiye esiyiso esivulayo. We understand? Incwadi izithi mayikhuluma brother Chris ithi umuntu mayengelathando ufana lensimbi nje ekhalayo nje. Uyayizwa lento yakhona. Noma brother Chris ungagqoka abantu abomama ngithi they preach ivangeli lokugqoka impahla ezinde. Noma ungayigqoka brother Chris impahla ezinde uthi mawuhlala lapha lona irogwe lokho elingena lapha eminyango. Mawungelala uthando brother Chris bathi ufana nekhasi lebanana nje lisestradeni lapho. La liza libe ngcono ngoba ungalinyathela ungashelela uwe futhi. You understand? So ngaphandle kothando brother Chris ayikho into esingayenza. You understand? Ngenxa ukuthi funda lapho ngingaze ngikhulumele. From verse 1.
If I speak in the tongues of men or of angels, but do not have love, I am only resounding gong or a clanging cymbal.
Angithi continue.
If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have a faith that can move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing.
Angithi uyayizwa brother Chris ukuthi thini? Angithi have you seen ukuthi people today in our days especially even me angithi I'm a preacher ngithi umuntu engaba yipreacher secabanga ukuthi yena urecognized ezulwini. Umuntu engakwazi ukwenza imanga njengokuthi aphulukise umuntu ogulayo amsindise amkhulekela asinde. Secabanga ukuthi yena ezulwini bayamazi. And of which le ncwadi mayikhuluma leqeda kuyifunda uJames iyachaza ukuthi ungakwenza lokho kodwa still ezulwini ungayi. You understand? Angazi ukuthi uyangithola brother Chris. And of which wena manje mawunganze ukuthi maybe uqashwe kwa Shoprite angithi you are doing it work angithi. And of mas uqoshiwe lapho kwa Shoprite ngathini the experience onayo eyokusebenzisa ithile ayiphumi kuwe usayazi. Nalesikipa sase Shoprite abakuthatheli sona. Usanaso angithi brother Chris. Lesa skipa sase Shoprite unaso, and then the experience that you got lapho usebenza ithili usanayo kodwa kwa Shoprite abasakwazi. They no longer recognize you angithi, and ku payroll yabo awusekho lapho. You understand? So once God gives you a gift, it doesn't determine ukuthi wena so uyaziwe ezulwini. You understand? Ayisho ukuthi wena su recognized ezulwini. You understand? Ngenxa ukuthi i gift is something that you were born with. And masuku ukuthi sophendukele kuNkulunkulu and then it manifests. Angazi ukuthi yangithola. So abantu abaningi ensukwini zanamhlanje uthando alusekho kubazalwane. Umzalwane once wa prophet asecabanga ukuthi yena ezulwini bamazi ngenxa ukuthi uyazi ukubona izinto ezingabonwa ngabanye abantu. You understand? Once umzalwane wakwazi ukukhulekela omunye umuntu brother Chris secabanga ukuthi yena ezulwini bamazi. We understand izithi uzithi mayikhuluma uJesu uthi ngosuku lokwahlulelwa abanye bazobuya bethi inkosi sakhipha amademoni ngegama lakho angithi uthi ngizathi hambani nabenzi okubi lihambe lapha kade njani nisebenzela khona and of which those people were successful ekukhipheni lawo amademoni. You understand uthi noma ungazi uthi intaba suka lapha ugxuma uyehlala lapha ube namandla ngako kodwa mawungilala uthando brother Chris ufana nekhasi lebanana elilahliwe phandle ngenxa ukuthi embusweni wezulu abakwazi. You understand ngenxa ukuthi thina we believe ukuthi mawungabona umuntu esenza imanga labo fire ngithi you believe ukuthi alo ngumuntu vele bamazi ezulwini. You understand vele once he dies he goes straight to heaven. Akwenzeki ngaleyo ndlela brother Chris. Ngaphandle kothando akekho umuntu ozawubona umbuso wezulu. We understand ngaphandle kokuthi ube lothando and abantu they believe ukuthi uthando it's giving. Yes it's giving ne but ngoliqhubeke nayo
if I give all I possess to the poor and give over my body to hardship that I may boast but do not have love I gain nothing.
Izosini brother Chris it's ukuthi you can give but you don't have love. You can give out of yourself maybe self ambitions ukuthi maybe ufuna ukubonakala. You understand or you just give because you have phela ukhona umuntu opha ngoba vele nakho. You understand so uthando yini ikuba nesihawu brother Chris. You understand if you see somebody just sympathize with them. You understand and feel like what if it was me. We understand okay if mina bengilo muntu bengizozwa kanjani ekule situation ekanje. We understand umuntu makahluphekile you sympathize with the person uzifaka ezicathulweni zakhe uzwe le nto engunembeza ngaphakathi na kwakho. You understand don't just give out of ukuthi vele nginakho. We understand ngenxa ukuthi abanye abantu banemali vele brother Chris angithi so giving is something easy to them. You understand izithi uzuthi mayikhuluma uJesu kwenyela ukuthi wafika wahlala lapho abantu babenikela khona ngithi uthi wahlala emphongolweni lapho babefika khona bephonsela imali wafika izikhulu bephonsela imali kwase kufika omunye wesifazana wayephethe icoin e1 uyayizwa leyo nto kuze kube neingoma yabapostoli ethi unike ngakho konke abenakho wakhipha udenari yokuphela unike ngakho konke yanakho wakhipha udenari yokuphela unike ngakho konke yanakho wakhipha udenari yokuphela unike ngakho konke yanakho wakhipha udenari. You understand that Chris uJesu uthi mayekhangele abantu labana bonke ubiza abafundi bakhe ngase beqeda kunikela uthi umuntu onikele kakhulu nguye lo wesifazana. We understand ngenxa ukuthi owesifazana lo wayele coin evele iyodwa eseselelayo. We understand wathatha that very same coin wahamba wanikela ngayo abanye babenikela ngenxa ukuthi vele balolutho. We understand kodwa yena wanikela out of the heart. So do you get the difference now?
The value of man doesn't matter if
exactly
no
if it's not from the heart. You understand if there's no love behind. You understand so umamalana kwaba nalento enhlizweni yakhe kuqala. We understand wasekhipha that very coin asele nayo yokugcina. We understand so incwadi mayikhuluma ithi God is love angithi God is love for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Angithi uNkulunkulu eseyuthandile umhlaba kangaka wanikela ngendodana yakhe ezele yodwa ukuthi lo okholwayo enjani engabhubhi mara belokuphila okunjani okunaphakade. Okay nxa ufuna ukubona uthando lukaNkulunkulu lungakanani brother Chris okay what if God forbid ne you have a son I'm not that's why I said God forbid first angithi so don't take me wrong there. So if you have a son maybe you were just blessed by a son now and then there comes a prophet akutshela ukuthi lengane mayifika 18 years izokubulala wena brother Chris uzozwa kanjani? What are you going to do? Would you love that baby Mr. James? Okay akutshela ukuthi okay lengane le mayifika 5 years wena lapha ngithi maybe you are 30 so uyakwazi ukuthi in 5 years time I will be dead by his hand. What are you going to do?
I'll see him as a curse or something.
What are you going to do brother James?
I don't know Mr. Moy, but now I'm feeling like someone instill a fear. You know I'm going to be fearful of this.
I mean how are you gonna view the baby afterwards?
After hearing that prophecy.
Yeah, and you see the prophets sometimes, you know what, back in the Old Testament, God was using prophets and the prophet was accurate. So if it's in that case, the prophecy is accurate, this child is gonna kill you, it's gonna end your life. So how are you gonna view the child afterwards, after the prophecy?
Not the same.
Not the same, angithi? Okay. You won't love the child the same, angithi?
Yeah.
Uzoqala ukumbona vele ukuthi hey lo muntu lo vele makhula uzongibulala, angithi? But God, brother Chris, he knew when he created us ukuthi sizomenza lento esamenza yona. Angithi ithi mayikhuluma incwadi, me and my father are one. uJesu usho kanjalo. Me and my father are one. Jesus is God. So God is all knowing. And him being all knowing, he knew what we were going to do to him. Wena mawunga invent robot namhlanje ne, uthi ulinventile ulibeke la endlini, uliphethe remote yakho nesandleni, lithole selikhahlela zonke izinto ezila endlini, nikhahlela nabantu abakho bonke, uzoyenza kanjani? You invented the robot and you've got the remote on your hand. Uyacima ngithi. Uyacima. Okay, so uNkulunkulu angithi nathi ngama robot akho uNkulunkulu. So why angasicimanga thina mase senza lezi zinto esamenza zona? Uthando angithi. Okay, angithi uyakubona I know ukuthi you've been emakhaya angithi brother Chris. Because you always tell your story, man.
Yeah.
So I know ukuthi you've been emakhaya, you know inja mayisini bathi indle yamarabi something like that. Mayise ayisakhethi noma umnikazi noma bani seyiluma kwasana. We understand what you do with that dog. Niyayibulala ngithi. uJesu yena inja yakhe yathi sinamarabi siluma kwasana. You understand? Yangena endlini yahlala phakathi yena waphuma wayelala ngaphandle. Wayekela inji sendlini. You understand? uJesu wayekela thina sambulala brother Chris. Samshaya samenza yonke into esamenza yona. Ngenxa yani? Ngenxa yothando angithi wayesithandile kangaka angithi. So do you know ukuthi uthando angithi thina masifanisa uthando manje sifanisa uthando lukhulu as if from a parent to a child. Uthando lwabazali to abantwana it's fake. You know why? It's conditional. Umntwana we only love nami ngizosifaka phakathi. We only love children unconditionally when they are young. Mase bakhulile we love them conditionally. You know ukuthi ngikhuliswa yini lokho? Have you seen ukuthi umntwana ngithi phela abakhona abazali ukuthi brother Chris mayezala umntwana mayethola ingane vele mayisancane nje uyabebona 2 kg kashukela la kule ngane maye lokho ikhula lokho iba 10 kg maye lokho ikhula iba 20 kg. We understand? Male ngane seyikhulile ingasaproduce leshukela kade ayibona kule ngane. We understand? Mase indala lengane ayisaproduce leshukela umama ayikhulisile akuthi mama ukhulisa ishukela vele yena la. So nangu ushukela phela akasaproduce ishukela ngithi uwenza njani? Brother James
disown.
We am disown ngithi brother Chris. Brother let me tell you something. Zinengi ingane esihamba phezulu wazo la ezisemhlabathini namhlanje ngenxa yezo liphuma emzalini. You know why? Ngenxa ukuthi umzali ubengelathando enganeni yakhe. We understand? Ngenxa ukuthi ingane brother Chris ngithi umuntu uthola ukuthi ubuswe ingane eziwu5 and then lezi eziwu4 zonke leshukela le umama kade eyibona ziyayithumela vele. Lo yi1 vela kana ngqondo. Angithi akathumeli next maybe uyisigebenga or noma uyenzani lento ayenzayo. Instead ukuthi lo mama belothande ukwazi ukuthi ingane yami le mara amazwi asephuma kuye. Asekuphuma amazwi esiqalekiso. Excuse me. So kuphuma amazwi esiqalekiso kumama lo mama bekanothando brother Chris. Bekumele lo muntu noma ngenangqondo abona ingane yakhe afisa ukuyibona iright kusasa. We understand? Instead of the cases lezi asezikhuluma manje, why not turn those cases into prayer? Umkhulekele lo mntwana ukuthi God umchinje lo mntwana. You understand? To be what you want. You understand? Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi lo mntwana angithi laba abathumbelayo la bathandeka vele emzalini. Umzali uyabathanda and then bese kuzokuthi lo ongathumeli or lo isigebenga amazwi asephuma emzalini asesiqalekiso and isiqalekiso somzali brother Chris ngiyakutshela ngeke udabule eceleni. Uyabona ngilokutshela labantu laba abadelela abazali ngenxa ukuthi umzali akakukhulisanga brother Chris bese ukukhuluma isinomi kanjani naye. Ubathi ubani utsegeleke wathi jola ubone mina ngithi delela umzali ubone. We understand? isiqalekiso somzali brother Chris uzama uqondane naso so uNkulunkulu nawe uma eceleni mawumzali uqalekisile ngutshele mina
hayi
umzali engakuqalekisa noNkulunkulu uyama eceleni wena nesiqalekiso somzali niqondane nibhekane so go and ask uHem kulokhuzenini ku Old Testament uHem wahle kuyise enqunu uNoah waphuza utshwala uthe sedakiwe wahambaza uHem wathi embona wahleka wamqaleki uyise uNoah wamqalekisa kwayenzakalani kuHem and his descendants you understand of course his father was wrong angithi phela angeke na uthi brother James uthi ungubaba so udakiwe uhamba unqunu phambi kwengane you understand it's inappropriate you understand that thing so why wrong ubaba wakhe ngithi kodwa just because uHem ingane kabani yakanoa akanalo ilungelo ukuthi akhulume isinomi kanjani nobaba wakhe you understand ubaba wakhe angangakhulisanga you understand kodwa you owe them everything you understand ma ungumzalwana ngikhulumi angithi ubrother Inick mina ukuthi angikhulumi nabantwana babantu lama ngikhulumi nabantwana babantu la ngikhuluma nabantwana bakaNkulunkulu umzali ongakhulisanga you owe them everything serious you owe them everything you can't say ukuthi akazange angikhulise mina so anginandaba nayo you understand so you owe them everything that's what I can say so on love later sikhuluma ngayo do you know ukuthi ukuba ngumzalwane kuyini brother Chris ukuba ngumzalwane yikwenza izinto ezihlula abanye abantu angazi ukuthi yangithola phela do you know ukuthi abantu ngabazalwane sibaningi ngithi ngabazalwane kodwa zikhona izinto sikhona se-church phakathi ezisihlulayo ukuzenza sikhona se-church do you know ukuthi uJesu uthi khona mayikhuluma uthi nizabazi ngemisebenzi yabangithi do you know ukuthi umuntu can prophesy kodwa uNkulunkulu engamazi you believe that angithi you can prophesy you can do imisebenzi yamandla uthi intaba isukela yehla lapha kodwa uNkulunkulu ungamazi so yena mayisekhuluma uthi nizabazi ngani ngemisebenzi yaba ngithi so that means ikhona into ehlukanisa umzalwane nomuntu ongayena umzalwane you understand that's love you understand angazi ukuthi uyangithola so even singabazalwane bakhona abazalwane embumbulu bakhona abazalwane bangempela you understand so wena mangumzalwane yini into okwazi kuyenza ngcono umuntu osezweni ongakwazi kuyenza that's love umuntu wasezweni ngakwazi ukunikeza imali ungenzanga lutho Chris akusukele nje kubone uhambaze brother Chris ugqoka ibhluku elidabukile akakwazi ukuthi abe nesihawu lesokuthi awukhawukele ukuze akuzwela akuthengele ibhluku angithi kodwa wena mangumzalwane uyazikhandla ukuthi lo muntu angeke wenza ukuthi ehambeze mina nginjani nginemali you understand angazi ukuthi uyangithola so ukuba ngumzalwane phela angithi abantu they think ukuthi uba ngumzalwane ukuye church yawazi ukuthi nomthakathi yakwazi ukuye church uyakwanisa ukuye church uyakwazi ukuye esontweni aqoke umuntu ongumbulali brother Chris obulala umuntu ezolo uyakwazi ukuthi namhlanje ageza afake isudwa eChurch so wena nawe ukuthi uhambe esontweni akukwenza ukuthi ube ngcono kunabantu abasezweni something that makes you better than a non-believer lothando lokumazi uNkulunkulu you understand uJesu uthi amazwi akho okugcina wayesevalelisa abafundi uthi bazokunaza ukuthi lingabafundi bamali thandana you understand the only thing that identifies a Christian is love you understand brother Chris if I wrong you mawungithanda uzongixolela you understand kodwa umuntu ongumzalwane esesontweni that's why ubona kulokuxabana ongake phakathi kwabazalwane ngenxa ukuthi abazalwane ngabazalwane embumbulu anikwazi phela brother Chris yakwazi esontweni bekumele kube neorder angazi ukuthi enjani ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani order ade kumele ibe khona esontweni you understand abazalwane bengadingi ukuthi beze be control ukuthi at a certain time yenzani lokho ngenxa ukuthi ngabazalwane vele bona iorder banayo have you seen ukuthi amasoja are composed kanjani you don't have to tell them mawuthi lonke left bonke baphakamisa inyawo lika left kodwa abazalwane ungathi left omunye aphakamisa right omunye uphakamisa isandla you understand ngenxa ukuthi ukuhlangana vele nothando abazalwane sinjani asinalo you understand brother Chris angazi ukuthi uyangithola
yeah ngiyathola
so the only thing that identifies a Christian luthando kuphela akukho kunye you understand ngenxa ukuthi zonke lezi zinto esinye sizenzayo labantu abasezweni vele bayakwazi ukuzenza ukuba nezindimi brother phela yazi abazana abaningi bamanje into esibahlukanisa kuphela labantu basezweni ukuthi bona bakwazi ukukhuluma izindimi izindimi zodwa nje ezibahlukanisa lokuthi bafanye labantu abasezweni indimi lezi ilimi yizo kuphela sezibahlukanisa abantu ukuthi asebenazo kuphela ezihlukana nabantu basezweni ngenxa ukuthi mayisephumule esephandle you can't identify ukuthi nanga uKristu umzalwane lo muntu mayesephandle uphila njengabantu basezweni you understand angazi ukuthi uyangithola khona lapho
ngiyathola
so ukuba ngumzalwane is to have uthando olunganqamukiyo brother Chris and ethandweni thando lu consist of many things angazi ukuthi angithola so now sizokhuluma ngegiving angithi kuthiwa kona kwakulo wesifazana kwakuthiwa nguDoka ngithi uDoka wayengowesifazane owayinakekela abampofu enakekela izintandana ngithi kwase kusenza ukuthi kufika isikhathafi ma wayesefile awuzange kukhale abantu bakibo kuphela brother Chris uthi ma wayesefile uDoka kwakhala abantu abaningi kakhulu ngenxa ukuthi laba ayebathungela ingubo zokugqoka bazibuza ukuthi sekalokhu uDoka sehambile sizokwenza kanjani how are we going to survive from now onwards sekalokhu lo muntu akade sisize sinikeza ukudla sefile you understand kuthiwa bakhala izindaba zaze lazwakala kuNkulunkulu angithi uPetro wayehambela kuleyo ndawo and then wasebiza uPetro wamkhulekela uDoka wavuka you understand uDoka waqhubeka lapha njani agcine khona do you understand that because of what love do you know ukuthi brother Chris
should love vusa umuntu
uthando brother Chris lwamvusa uDoka uthando ayikho enye into engakwenzele into ngaphandle kothando kodwa uthando uDoka ayelalo ngabazalwane lokwazi ukumvusa do you know ukuthi manje brother Chris angithi if wena usebenza ne ubusuphelelwa ngumsebenzi yazi ukuthi bakhona abantu bethi mabesebenza brother Chris maholile ucabanga ukuthi imali le ngiyakhe le family yakhe kuphela sokuphelile you understand lo muntu mhla ephele ngumsebenzi vele uNkulunkulu akabe le stress sokukufunela umsebenzi ngoba ulancedo vele uya understand brother Chris awulancedo vele uNkulunkulu akabe ne stress sokuthi ufunela umsebenzi you understand kodwa ma kulabanye abantu brother Chris obasizayo James angithi makuyikuthi uyakwazi ukuthi emalini yakho iholile uyakwazi ukuthi James ulaledlile uyakwazi ukuthi uganda mhlambe enxangela mzali kwaleso sikhathi uganda ezintandane ulaledlile uganda ma wena ungasebenzi ukhala abantu abangaki wena ifamily yakho noganda nabo James bonke bakhala ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu zakho kungasebenzi never angithi
the cry will be so much
exactly izithi u2 Corinthians 9 isibusiso esivela ukunikela nangesibusiso esivela ngokunikela you understand so abantu abazokhala brother Chris ungasasebenzi wena baningi ngenxa ukuthi unakekela abantu abaningi izithi bayikhuluma izithi 1 James izithi James 1 verse 27 ukholo olungenabala yikuhambela abafelokazi nezintandane osizweni ndabo ekusoleni kwabo you understand lokho kunye brother Chris ungakwenza you understand you can do whatever that you want you understand uyenze zonke izinto esontweni ufaste uyenzeni mawungelala uthando brother Chris uzulu ngeke uzulibone ngiyakutshela without love makuyikuthi wena uyahola brother Chris bakhona izintandana obaziyo abantu balala bengadlanga mara wena unakho ukudla wazi ukuthi ubasize labantu akhohlwa ngezulu noma ungumzalwane noma ungayigqoka impahla ezihuba phansi noma ungayikhuluma izilimi ezingakanani brother Chris noma ungaba namandla okushumayela kangakanani umbuso wezulu ngeke uzubone ngosuku lokwahlulela uJesu uzathi hamba lapha kade usebenzela khona ngenxa ukuthi the only thing that identifies us as Christian is love uyangithola brother Chris so what I'm saying ukuthi umuntu osizayo izintandane brother Chris mhla engelamsebenzi kuzokhala abantu abaningi kakhulu you understand so abanye do you know ukuthi abanye abantu brother Chris in our days yawazi wena brother Chris angithi uphila nabo James nabo bani abanye abantu bonke abaseduzana nawo angithi awungitshela ukuthi mawungavuka ukuthi uyawukho namhlanje ubani ozoba nendaba nawo bangaka abantu abazoba nendaba nawo ukuthi uChris was useful sehambile sizokhala baningi angithi that's good brother Chris you understand mara ukhona umuntu ozathi mayefile bethi yahamba inje ngiyaxolisa ukukhuluma ibaleni njengalona lelo brother Chris angithi kodwa bakhona umzalwane ozathi efile kuphuma igama ebantwini ukuthi yahamba inje you understand so you must be useful brother Chris yokuthi ma uChris engasekho la to fill his gap kube nzima Okay, ebandleni lelo khonza kilo brother Chris. Mawungavuka kuthiwa wena ushiftiwe noma sowusiye eMaritzburg, uzakhonza eMaritzburg. Abazali laba sele are they going to feel igap yakho yini? Are they going to feel ukuthi uChris kasekho noma bazokhonza as usual nje? Ungathi akwenzakali next. You understand? Abantu who are in your circle brother Chris. Mhla wena uNkulunkulu esekukhumbulile wathi uyakuthatha. Are they going to cry for you? Bazobekhalela ukuthi bazobekhala besithini ngawo. You understand? Imthandazo yabizwa kwazi ukuthi kuvulela amasango ezulu ngenxa ukuthi kuthiwa sizongena ngozwelo brother Chris angithi phela abantu abaningi manje they claim ukuba holy brother Chris ngaphandle kothando akulamuntu ozangena ezulwini ithi uthando lubekela inqwaba yezona lisibekela inqwaba yezona silezono ezingaka brother Chris noma bazane beclaim ukuba holy akekho umuntu oholy brother Chris uyabaza uganda manje masingamthatha simvayile roomini lelana the whole day engaphumanga siyathi siyabuya ntambama uyabe ncintika ngezono lomuntu egcwele izono eziningi kakhulu yedwa ehlele endlini enokudla lapha endlini evalelila ngalonke brother Chris sisiyabuya siyomvulela ntambama uyabe esenyanyeka ngezona. Do you believe that? Siyona ngemcabango kuNkulunkulu. We understand? So you can't claim to be holy kuNkulunkulu, siba holy by ngokholo kuNkulunkulu, by faith in him. You understand? Nguyosingcwelisayo uNkulunkulu. So those people who are claiming to be holy is dangerous. Ngenxa ukuthi ungaclaim ukuba holy kakhulu. I self righteousness brother Chris. Iyakwenza ukuthi ungabona amaphutha akho. We understand?
Because I was saying as nisikhathi sokuthanda and most of people what I notice with people don't have like we're talking no Uganda sichaza abantu like who claim that they are Christian. Even the way abanye ba studio banokufika bengabingelana ngisho kubingelelana. I'm like this is a lack of love. Like ihlala ngwarisha njalo ngithi these people they really lack love because but a person will focus on fasting and dressing holy and not doing this and this, but a simple thing like loving, recognize your brother is in their house, talk to him. But if la studio ngafaka abantu abangasonto ngiyofica kunomsindo ujatshulwe kuyo kodwa but if you become a Christian kuba quiet wonke umuntu
uyabona brother Chris noma idakwa mase itavern uzothola ibhodlela lelisuka la liya kuChris lisuka la uChris akalisulu uyaphuza kuphela liya kuGanda faka la icup la kunabazalwane ubone yabe lokho iphendulwa kanje mase sebona ukuthi aso ama lips vele segcwele indawo yonke akasaphuzi sefunekile. Why? Yabona ukuthi sidlulwa ngabantu abakuphi brother Chris?
Tavern.
Abantu abase tavern abanye bangcono ukudlula thina. Have you seen ukuthi abazalwane brother Chris? Mawungumuntu ongumzalwane brother Chris, abantu abangakhonzi they must tell ukuthi lo ngumzalwane ngokwenza kwakho. You understand? Masifika aroundini la uChris ahlala khona. uChris nyamaza uChris ungumuntu kanjani? Abantu abangayiye esontweni brother Chris, yibo abamele bekwazi ukukhulumela wena. Bekwazi ukuthi uChris akatholakala emsindweni. uChris noma ungamosha uyakuyeka manje. And yazi uSathane phela yazi ukuthi ungenye into brother Chris. Mawulothando wena ne? Mina namhlanje ngabuya uthi ungisizile wena. Bese uyenza iphutha the other ngelinye ilanga. The very same person mina ongisizile. I'm gonna the first one to judge you. You understand? Or to nail you. You understand? Okay, mase kufika sengihluphekile next time uzoyenza njani wena? Okay, umuntu wamsizayo wena nangu sekuhleba labangani bakhe manje la bakhuluma ngawe and uyo obasela kakhulu lomlilo. Angithi ukuthi wena awuyenziwe lento leyenziwa yona. Okay, aphinda hlupheke futhi lo muntu uwenza njani wena?
I know ukuthi majority will judge but mina because ngakhe ngenye indlela I will help him.
That's being a Christian brother Chris. Ungabona usanenhliziyo yokuthi umuntu ukuphambanisile brother Chris. Somebody has wronged you but you still love them. uNkulunkulu simphambanise kangaka phela brother Chris nxa ufuna ubona thina abantu si selfish. You understand? Usumonele kangaka uNkulunkulu wena. Kube uNkulunkulu befana nawe no James uJames the robot yena yavela icimi. Since thina senza lento esizenzile na why uNkulunkulu engacimi irobot leli linguwe brother Chris. Ngenxa ukuthi siyamona uNkulunkulu every day singabazalwane. Angithi kodwa uNkulunkulu uyiphethe remote ukuthi angacima noma yini why angayicimi? So that's the very same mentality that we should have as Christians. Angazi ukuthi uyangithola brother Chris?
Yeah, ngithola my brother.
So here the same mentality omele sibe layo uthando olunganqamukiyo brother Chris. Sithandane regardless of ukuthi ungenzeni ngenxa ukuthi love forgives. You understand? Akekho umuntu ngicela uqhubeke ufundele lelo kuzeni indlana okay. Uthando brother Chris liyaxola ngithi. Uthando alubalela umuntu ukuthi wakwangenzani wena. You understand? You just forgive and forget. You understand? Uma ungumuntu onothando ngenxa ukuthi it's the very same thing that God did with us. Uyabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu kube befana nathi brother Chris kuba abaningi asekho namhlanje. Ngenxa ukuthi mina namhlanje brother Chris ungangenza kabi sengifisa ukubona ufile kodwa ngingumzalwane. We understand? Masuvelwe yishwa ngithi ya uChris vele uyaphapha. We understand? That's not the mentality of umzalwane. The very same person that has wronged you akathi masele inkinga abone ukuqala wena Chris uvela wena kungophethe usizo kokuqala. You understand? Bengakabuyi bonke labangani bakhe labakade bekwenza lento leyo nawo. Phela yazi abantu mabehlangana ngentwembi brother Chris. Ma wena sunenkinga vela ngeke babone labangani bakho labehlangane ngentwembi. You understand? So what I'm saying ngoDockers ngithi zama ukuthi asibe nothando lonjalo ukuthi lalo bungasekho brother Chris abantu abakukhumbule ngento enhle ukuthi uChris wayethi mayekhona ngangilala ngidlile. You understand? Plus into brother Chris phana izintandane ukudla zidle lalaba baswelayo ngenxa ukuthi awazi wena ezakho ingane ezizaba zintandane nini. Lezakho ingane zingavuka izintandane ubreakdown sithi yeza kuba ziyahlupheka. The very same ezakho ingane kusasa zingavuka zingenayo abazali.
My brother. I always, when I give, I always say, I wish people will have the mercy that I have to my son, even when I'm not around.
That's what is going to happen, my brother. Trust me. Thina namhlanje ensukwini zanamhlanje siyasaba ukufa emachechi. Phela yazi umzana melanga usaba ukufa. Mina ube wazi uNkulunkulu uzalenza icebo. Kodwa ngamabandla esikhonza kuyo siyasaba ukufa ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi ingane yakho mawungafa namhlanje sasiyavela lephandle. Abazalwane bekhona. Iyavela uqala kulamba day 1 abazalwane bekhona brother Chris. Namhlanje mawungagula wena abazani bawukhambela kayi 1 ngo200 so mele uzube right usidla 200 manje ukukhulisa ingane is how many years brother Chris ukukhulisa ingane it takes 20 plus more years. You understand? So abantu abahluleka ukunakekela wena brother Chris une 2 weeks ugula ucabanga ukuthi bengayinakekela ingane yakho 20 years. Is it possible? Angeke baze bayinakekele brother Chris. You understand? Ngenxa ukuthi uthando asiselalo brother Chris siyasaba ukufa namhlanje vele ngenxa ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ma ingane yami ingasanakekelwanga yimi angeke abe khona umuntu ozayinakekela. You understand? Kodwa bese ngikhumbula amazwi ngithi uNkulunkulu uthi nxa wayekhuluma ngoFaro uthi inhliziyo kaFaro yimi engangiyenza ukuthi belukhuni. Wena the very same inhliziyo yakhe lukhuni ngakhona labakho abantwana ngase befile the very same thing izayenzeka la kwabantwana. Angithi wena lukhuni ekupheni izintandane lezakho phela angithi brother Chris do you know ukuthi this thing of ukuthi children will suffer the consequences of abazali bayo. Do you know ukuthi iyaphila? Ukuthi ikhona le verse lezi Ezekiel 18 verse 2 ithi abadala badla isithelo somvini kwashelela amazinyo abantwana. You understand? Badla isithelo somvini kodwa kwashelela amazinywana abantwana. The very same way la uthitha ngakhona izintandane nawe masushonde brother Chris nabantu nabazoba nelihlo ninjenge lakho nawe kade ubheka ngakhona ezinye izintandane. You understand? So awuthi mawubona abantu brother Chris abangenalutho phela ukupha brother Chris doesn't mean ukuthi une something. You understand? From what you have keep akhona lokho ngenxa ukuthi incwadi mayikhuluma ithini ongathembeka ngokuncane kazi ukuthembeka ngokukhulu. Ma uNkulunkulu ekwazile ukuthi ekunikeze 50 cent wahluleka ukushare from that 50 cent ngeke zakunikeze 1 rand brother Chris. Ngenxa ukuthi vele inhliziyo yakhe iwomile wena brother Chris you can't even share noma sona leyo 1 rand. I don't know ukuthi uyangithola. So sharing doesn't mean ukuthi mele ube nolutho oluningi. Uthi Elijah nxa wayebalekela uAhab ngithi ma wayebaleka uNkulunkulu wamthumela kumfelokazi cabanga uNkulunkulu ezothumela ukuthi wona wondliwe ngumfelokazi. Already umfelokazi siyawazi akana lutho ngithi kodwa umfelokazi lo ma Elijah wayefika kulo mfelokazi uthi ngicela ungenzele isinkwa ngidle. You understand? Lo umfelokazi uthi sengisele neflower encane ekwana ukuthi ngidle nendodana yami sivele sife. Ngenxa ukuthi after that asela lutho sesizadla lokho kokugcina sivele sife. Ithi mayikhuluma le ndoda Elisha uthi ngenzela from leyo flower yakhe encane nalesile. Lona wesifazana wathatha from that very same flower kade siyena uzayidla lo mntana wakhe. You understand? Wayenzela uElisha ini ukudla ngithi kuthiwa from there uNkulunkulu wenza ukuthi iflower yalana wesifazana ingakuyipheli kwaze kwabuye isikhathi sokuthi imvuli nethi bekwazi
ukuthi look at this 30-second story. Last week ngilele endlini uma ngilele endlini ngithola ikhole umuntu yangifonela like hey Chris angidlile yazi ngicela ungisendela noma i50 rand but imali ebenginayo I had like imali I transport money to come to student go back. Hey inhliziyo yami yabuhlungu but I was like eyanginayo yazi my sister yabo. So ngithe ngisalele in 5 minutes James kwangena 4,000 kwi account yami. Mangena the 4,000 I'm like obvious I have money now. Bro, I'm telling like true story. Mangena the 4,000 I'm like, yeah man. So ngithathe the 300 ngisendele lo sis. Ayabonga. After an hour ngithole futhi another call. Hey Chris, yazi ngisendele 4,000 ngemistake. Yo bro.
Already
I'm telling you bro, this is a true story. Last week. So mangisele 4,000 I was like, umuntu mhlawumbe donate i-podcast and I'm like futhi bengizoza e-studio ngakusasa I'm like I was like engizofika ngitshela James uthi kunomuntu odonate nge-4,000. But mfethu so I'm happy. I'm like, yabona vele mangifika kusasa studio ngizotshengisa James noGani. Bro, after an hour umuntu afona thiyo mfethu ngishaya nge-mistake. And umuntu vele nokudonate. So angazi uphambanisa kanjani vele wasenda kwi-account yami. Bro, I had to send back the money. 4,300 gone. So I was like, maybe God was trying to say, you have to take it from that 300.
Yeah, ijalo yena.
Sure, bro.
Yawazi ukuthi mina recently even umama sangizaye ngamtshela lento le. Yazi do you know ukuthi like is it on last Sunday? There is someone who sent me like 7,000 on my account. A mistake. Angizaye ngamtshela because yazi uthini uma esendele 7,000 ngabe ngiyibisela le mali. And then when I was telling one of my friends ongumzalwane ubaba futhi okhulile uthi awubhayizile. Just imagine umuntu usenda imali ngemistake e-account yami ngiyayibisela le mali ngixoxela umzalwane uthi ubhayizile. Umzalwane olinde uJesu obuyayo.
Cause bro, even though sisimanga umbuzo waphelwa ngamandla, it was like yo Chris ngiyaqala ke into nje. As I was thinking ukuthi uzonginika istory cause yo bro, even noma ngithi awusend 4,000 but bafuna ubuso bakho but being disappointed as myself then and then ngayifaka same time ngayifaka wafunda ukuthi yo Chris anisonta ngempela mina. But I was like I'm doing it even for her to
Exactly. Being umzalwane brother Chris is to do goodness even out of people's sight. You understand? Lapho ngilabantu khona ukuthi lo muntu uza kubona ukuthi uGandi uyenze kanje. Just be a good person for no reason. You understand brother Gandi? For no reason nje uphonga uba umuntu oright. You understand? Lapho ngilamehlo abantu khona ukuthi baza kubona ukuthi ubrother Gandi uyenza into enje enhle kangaka. Nginxa ukuthi brother Gandi ulokuthi mawuhamba la estradeni uzobona ukuthi lo muntu like uyisiphofu ngempela kabone. Ukumnikeza le mali there is nobody who sees you there. Kodwa ukumnikeza le mali elaledlile imithandazo yakhe brother wena brother Gandi. Mayebonga uNkulunkulu ngiqinisile ngithi uza kubusiswa brother Gandi. Do you know ukuthi abantu banamhlanje ne sebehamba beyozila besenhlane bekhulekela imali uzozace ufungenayo even 1 cent brother Chris ngitshele mina. Uzozaca ufungela even 1 cent ngenxa ukuthi you are using the wrong formula of being blessed. We understand? Ukuzila kukulethela izibusiso. Ukuzila kukulethela amandla enyameni okulwa lo Satan. Kodwa kuletha izibusiso. Angazi ungafunda uIsaiah is it Isaiah 58? Isaiah 58. Yeah, from which verse? I don't know from which verse, so just let's leave it. But ikhuluma ngokuzila okuyikho. You just find that heading if you can. Ukuzila okuyikho, like I don't know if you can find that. You just scroll there and then maybe you can find that. So ikhuluma ngani brother Chris? It's Isaiah 58 ikhuluma ngokuzila okuyikho. I understand. Phela ungalamba brother Chris unenhliziyo embi vela akuzi ukukusebenzela. Do you know ukuthi this other day ne besiye enhlane lapho besifastile siye enhlane. Emini yakhona lapho before ngiyenhlane. Ngiyasuka ngemall. I understand. Ngahlangana nabazalwane. Begqoka amabhluku emall. You understand? Mase senhlane sesifastile babe khona. You get it? We are fasting as a church. And siyenhlane ntambama. Kodwa emini uphilisa noma kanjani? Mase senhlane sufastile. you see that thing yangihlukumeza kakhulu ngenxa ukuthi incwadi le engithe brother James ayivule la ikhuluma the very same thing. You understand ukuthi ukuzila okuyikho brother Chris is not ukuthi ulambe uyilambise emzimbeni. Of course ku right angisho ukuthi ku wrong ukuthi uzile ukudla angithi kodwa ukuzila okuyikho brother Chris ukuthi ma ubona omunye umuntu enenkinga msize leyo muntu. You understand ma ubona umuntu odinga impahla brother Chris msize leyo muntu. You understand ungadlelezela omunye umuntu udlela omunye umuntu umona yikho ukuzile okuyikho la nxa usuzilile ukudla brother Chris inthandazo yakho izozwakala masinyane kuNkulunkulu. Angazi James, do you find that? I don't know from which verse but where it mentions ukuthi ukuzila okuyikho. Let me check. Yeah, I guess so. Yiyo lento engisho uyayithola. Yeah, start from verse 6.
Is not this the kind of fasting I have chosen? To loose the chains of injustice, to unite the cords of the yoke, to set the oppressed free and break every yoke? Is it not to share your food with the hungry and to provide the poor wanderer with shelter? When you see the naked, to clothe them and not to turn away from your own flesh and blood.
Yeah, he's a brother Chris. True fasting. Ungazila ulambe brother Chris, but what determines ukuthi uzaphendula imthandazo yakho is your life before fasting. That's why ngikunikeze lo mzekeliso ukuthi sasifastela abazalwane. Kodwa emini lo mzalwane the very same mzalwane esinayo enhlani, emini ubegqoka ibhluke ehamba emolo. Ntambama sesithi yena sefastile. Does that make sense? Ukufasta, you fast your whole life brother Chris. Your whole life must be fasting. You understand? Ukwenzela ukuthi nxa usuzincisha ukudla lokho ukuzila kokuzincisha ukudla kuzwakale kuNkulunkulu. Awazi ukuphila isinomi kanjani umsithi usuzila ukudla wena uNkulunkulu uza kuzo. You understand? So brother Chris angithi do you know ukuthi ukuze uphiwe yipha nawe. You understand? Ithi mayikhuluma
usisi isandla siphayo kunesamukelayo.
Exactly. Is it Psalms 41? Ithi lo ophayo ne uNkulunkulu uza kumkhumbula ngosuku lwakhe lokuhlupheka. Lo ophayo uNkulunkulu uzamkhumbula ngosuku lwakhe elele kuphi embhedeni wokugula. We understand? Just by giving. We understand? So brother Chris ayikho into evula iminyango kulokupha. We understand? There is nothing that you can do engakuvulela iminyango ngaphandle kokupha. Have you seen ukuthi esikolweni manje senza imaths lapha ne brother James? Kunento la bathi BODMAS or BOMDAS something like that. Do you know that what is it called? For a formula something like that. BODMAS angithi?
Yeah.
So angithi uzathola ukuthi le sum yakhona maybe 5 plus 2 times 3 minus 4 what angithi. So when if you use that BODMAS angithi you then bracket ezinye izinto lapha and then you start by solving maybe le esekugcineni. You understand? So the formula of being blessed is not fasting. We understand? If formula yokuthi wena brother Christ uNkulunkulu akubusise, give and see.
iBODMAS
abantu basebenzisa formula wrong athola belambile enhlane bekhulekela ukuthi uNkulunkulu babusise. Awuzoze uzacena kutshela brother Chris. Ngiyakutshela mina nasi ungiphathele umuntu oyi1 wazila bamnikeza imali uNkulunkulu. Sibone enganakekela abantu abampofu. We understand? So the formula of you being blessed by God brother Chris akukhona ukuthi uzile ukudla noma uyenzeni. We understand? Awuthi lokho uNkulunkulu akunikeze khona give back. From the like yazi uthi brother Chris angithi kuthiwa khona back in the days kwaIsrael angithi uNkulunkulu babethi nxa belimile ensimini wayethi ningavuni konke kodwa nishiyele laba abazokhothoza angithi kuthiwa ukukhothoza something like that is makubhalela eBhayibhelini but ukukhothoza yazi ukukhothoza yini brother Chris wawuthi wena mawuvuna ensimini yakho angithi awuhamba ukhipha zonke ikhwebu leziyana uzoshiya kwenzela ukuthi laba abampofu intandane besaye belandele emuva nawe benjani bethole kulukho lokho angithi manje thina salima ensimini sesilima ngapi ebalungwini angithi sesilima ebank manje brother Chris kuleso sivuno sakho sitholile awungavuni konke brother Chris. We understand? Lapha emabandleni you understand brother Chris wena mawukhipha 10 rand kuwakho umkhothozo lo muntu ohluphekile maye biyezokhothoza ethola 10 rand kuwe ethola 20 rand kimi ethola 5 rand ku brother Ganda. Do you think ukuthi angeka survive?
Survive.
Angeke uNkulunkulu asibusise yini?
I suppose it is.
Angithi brother Chris. So trust me my brother. Mawufuna ukubona ukuthi elifini you will never go wrong. Give. You understand? uCornelius wayengasomzane ngumgentile. Angithi uCornelius, that man was giving to the poor. You understand? Ekhuleka kuNkulunkulu, giving to the poor. He was a Gentile. He was the first Gentile to be saved actually. Ukuthi uPetrus imhambile yena. We understand? uNkulunkulu ngokuyiza imthandazo yakhe ngenxa yokuthi wayesipha abantu abampofu. You understand? Uyamthuma uPetru uthi Petro ngikuzwile ukukhala kwale ndoda njalo ngikubonile ukunikela kwakhe sipha abampofu. Wamhambela ndoda wasindiswa. You understand? So uthando brother Chris lusibekela inqwaba yezona esizenzayo. Ungazibona brother Chris ungumzalwane awunathando. Khohlwa ngokuthi uza ezulwini. Mina ngiyakutshela brother Chris, if you don't have love, ukuthi uyezulwini brother Chris, just forget about it. You understand? So love again brother Chris goes with forgiveness. You can't just say you love and you can't forgive. Bakhona abantu laba brother Chris bathi lo muntu wangizisa ubuhlungu kakhulu, alo angikuxoleleki lokho. You understand? Zingako nezinto uNkulunkulu la angakele ukuxolela zona wamzisa zona ubuhlungu. You understand? If you don't forgive, you're not going to be forgiven brother Chris. Awuxoleli. You understand? Yinika brother Chris ezulwini. You understand? You give, now you give. You understand? That's why kuthiwa kona brother Chris if wena ukwazi ukunika ompofu, lawe uNkulunkulu uza kukunikeza back. You understand? Kuthiwa unikeza ompofu ufana lotsheleka uNkulunkulu, ufana loboleka uNkulunkulu. You understand? So if you give to the poor, ukuthi abantu brother Chris manje sebe vele besipha be expect ukuthi vele bafuna ukuphiwa uNkulunkulu. You understand? Sevele siphele ele mind njani ukuthi okay man siphu Chris 5 rand le, I'm expecting something ukuthi uNkulunkulu mela ngenzele something afterwards. Akho right, you can understand? That's not giving from the heart. It's giving expected something. Ngathi sungumashonisa and so ashonisa uNkulunkulu, you understand? So which is not right, angithi brother Chris. So what I'm saying ukuthi mawungumzalwane, just give for no reason and then leave everything to God. You understand? Afterwards live your life, don't expect anything. Kodwa uNkulunkulu yena sokusithekeni uyakwazi uzokwenza njani ngawe brother Chris. We understand? Just give for no reason. Angazi ukuthi uyangithola.
Ngiyakuthola my brother.
We understand? Ngenxa ukuthi eminye imthandazo yathi sesiyenza brother Chris. Abantu angithi bayakhuleka ngemva kokuba sephile. Ebese khuleka kuNkulunkulu ukuthi ufuna into ezithila ngithi ngenxa ukuthi vele uphe any expectation. We understand? Ikhona eminye imthandazo brother Chris esithi masiyenza kuNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ezwe engathi uyabona ingane yakho leyo umfana wakho lo naye. Mina ngakucela ukuthi umthengele insango ngenza njani mina?
Awungala.
Ungayala ngithi. Zikhona izinto esithi masizicela kuNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu ezwe ngathi simcela ukuthi asithengele insango brother Chris. You know why? Yawathi into ezinjani lezo? Awuhlekisi brother Chris. Awuhlekisi ngikutshela iqiniso brother Chris. Ayihlekisi lento le ngenxa ukuthi abantu abaningi abayi-understand. Ngenxa ukuthi we expect thina ukuthi masicela everything uNkulunkulu asinikeze. We understand? And of which uNkulunkulu uyakwazi into angakunikeza wona zikulimaze brother Chris. Uthi uzethi mayekhuluma uJedidiya uSolomon ngithi uthi mayekhuluma uthi kukhona ububembu obonileyo ingcebo ebekele umnikazi ukuthi imlimaze yena. Does that make sense? Ukuthi wena ungaba rich kodwa ukuba rich kwakho kukulimaza kukumosha. Doesn't make sense to me angithi ngenxa ukuthi mina vele ngifuna ukuba rich. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi brother Chris wena mangakunikeza izinto ezulwini ngeke uzuye khona wena. Lezi zinto will zizaba distraction. You understand? I don't know if you get me. Lezo zinto there will be obstacles on your way ezakwenza ukuthi ucina ungasaya embusweni. You put your focus there. You understand? Angazi ukuthi uyanthola ngenxa ukuthi incwadi isithi mayikhuluma lapho kule ngcebo yakho khona kulapho kulani olenhliziyo yakho khona. So once you have a lot inhliziyo yakho iba khona phana, you understand? Kodwa once you invest in heaven inhliziyo yakho ifuna ukuya kuphi heaven, because that's where you invested more. You understand? When a brother Chris angithi wonke abantu abaningi abala eGoli baze ngomphando banamakhaya. They are building more ekhaya because they are wishing to retire one day. Angeke uthole brother Chris umuntu onendle enkulu la eGoli edlula lela enayo emakhaya. Because emakhaya it's his permanent residence. We understand? Yikho la azohlala khona for the longest time, so that's where he must prepare the best. Angazi ukuthi uyangithola. Uyangithola ngithi. So prepare more ekhaya. So that's what I'm saying. If us we invest more in heaven, we will be eager to go to heaven because we know our investment is there in heaven. Once we invest here on earth, asoze sifuna ukusuka la emhlabeni. Ngenxa ukuthi ingcebo yethu kuphi? ila emhlabeni, you understand? That's why ubona manje umuntu brother Chris uyagula 7 years zonke lokho yalo ukuthi umoya uphume lokho elele phansi engahambi. Lokho ecabanga inkomo zakhe lezarase emhlabeni la. Ngenxa ukuthi investment yakhe yonke kuphi? Esemhlabeni brother Chris, angithi. So thina into kumele si-invest isezulwini. So that's what I was saying ukuthi zikhona izinto esithi masicela kuNkulunkulu phela ama-answer kaNkulunkulu mawucela ulutho brother Chris is either now, is either yes or no or not now. Uno ukhona kuNkulunkulu ukuthi no vele Chris lento engenze ngunikeze yona. Ngenxa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bathi nxa bephuma eGibhithe brother Chris wabatshela ukuthi ngiliso ezweni laseKhenani elilo izwe lani elilobisi noju, angithi okwakuresemble ukuthi izwe eli-rich. You understand? Wathi kodwa mase lifike kule ndawo linjani lingangilibali lingangikhohlwa. Kodwa bathi ngase befikile sebesidla la ama-benefits bayenzani brother Chris? Bamkhohlwa uNkulunkulu baqala ukukhonza ezinye izithixo, angithi. So uNkulunkulu uyamazi umuntu noma brother Chris wena manje ngoba nyakwazi uGanda manje manje singamtshela sithi uNkulunkulu engakunikeza imillion brother Ganda ungabheda uyayala manje
mina mame
namangano brother hayi million but mhlambe 5 million hayi bhedi.
Okay, asithi akunikeze 20 ke 20 million.
Ngiyahlanya ke lapho ngeke uphinde ngisho ngibone kuma social media.
Angithi uyabona. So uNkulunkulu ngumzali ocabangelayo umuntu brother Chris. You understand? Umntana wakho brother ingane yakho brother Chris manje. Ma engathi ufuna ukuyodlala ngaphandle, angithi. Wena uqala ubheka umkhathi ukuthi phandle kunjani, angithi. Bese ubheka nokuthi uyodlala nabo bani. Mayidlala nengane zakumakhelane ezixhwayile okwathi izixhwayile zomtshela ukuthi awuyi lapho wena. Mayehlele endlini unomqondo ukuthi ubaba uyangizonda akafuna ukuthi ngedlala nabangani bami. Kodwa wena ubhekela ifuture yakhe kusasa ngoba uyazi ukuthi engadlala nalezi angane uzaba corrupt, agcine isigebenga, agcine bembulele. Wena ubhekele ini ifuture kodwa yena ubhekele isimanje ukuthi ufuna ukenjani ukuyodlala manje. So into esiyenza kuNkulunkulu manje ukuthi nathi sibheke masicela izinto kuNkulunkulu sibhekele ukuthi uNkulunkulu avele senzele izinto manje. Kodwa uNkulunkulu he knows the outcome of that thing mase kunikezile wena. Ngenxa ukuthi abantwana bakwa-Israyeli wabanikeza ingcebo yonke ababeyifuna, ngithi uthe sebanikezile bayenza njani brother Chris. So uNkulunkulu kumele akuprepare ukuqala ukuthi okay mase kunikeza leyo nto brother Chris, how are you going to receive it? Uzayamukela kanjani? Kumele ufane lo Job. uJob bathi bemnikezile ingcebo, angithi tho Job wangela ndoda eyayinothe njengoJob, angithi kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi mase ithathile wayesemthathile wonke labantu abakho. uJob wayelabantwana abangu-10. uNkulunkulu wabathatha bonke same time same day brother Chris. Ushoyile abantwana abangu-10 ngelanga eli-1. Ushonelwe maybe nezifuyo ezifika 10,000 brother Ganda zonke ziphele same day. How are you going to feel? Angeke umthuku uNkulunkulu ngakwada ngithi indlu yakho brother Ganda ulesithabathaba sendlu sivele sithathwe ibank same time. How are you going to feel? Same day zonke lento zenzeka same day. Ubune ingane eziwu10 namhlanje awuseni even ingane eyodwa. How are you going to feel brother Kiss? Ungamthuka uNkulunkulu angithi kodwa uJob ngenxa yokuthi wayesazi. We understand? Job was prepared before he was given. You understand? Uthi mase uNkulunkulu esekuthethe konke lokho ngenxa ukuthi it was a test to Job. You understand? So uNkulunkulu nxa wayesethethe lezo zinto, uJob uthi uNkulunkulu unikile. uNkulunkulu uthethe esizalweni sikamama ngeza ngize njalo ngiyakubuyela futhi nginjani ngize. You understand? Job was understanding into leyo ukuthi vele ngabe uyangena lutho njalo ngizakubuyela ngena lutho. Ingcebo yama investwa ngemhlabeni kodwa investwe kuphi? Ezulwini. Uzubone futhi the very same people uJob ayebasiza, the very same people ababemkhuluma kabi. You understand? So uJob ngenxa ukuthi wengumuntu othando sezibisele into zakhe back waqhubeka basiza labana abantu. Ngenxa uJob wayelani? Why nothando brother Chris? So uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi kulezinto esimcela zona brother Chris abonayo ukuthi no brother Moyo mangamnikeza lento le lo muntu lo i-concentration yakhe izaba more on this thing. Have you seen brother Chris?
Idolize leyo nto le.
Exactly. Have you seen umuntu omunye uthenga imoto brother Chris? Ngelanga leso nto yabe seyihlala isula phandle lapha. Akasaye church. Usesula yona le moto yakhe ilanga lonke nje. Elokho ibheka yazi brother Chris.
Uqinisela amangeke ngayisula kwashonela.
Inembonani lento la yazi ukuthi na brother Chris when I bought my first car ne ngani nokusuka isikhathi ngina petrol yazi ukuthi imbonani nje brother Chris angazi ukuthi njani. Usuke nje ungena petrol uvucha iround ukuthi bakubone nje. Lapha una petrol uhluphekile nje kodwa nje awunasatho sokuhamba futhi. Uyasuka nje ukuthi bakubone nje udlula nje kuphela kanje. You understand? So izinto zomhlaba brother Chris asitsho ukuthi abantu bengabi nazo ukuthi abantu they feel like ukuthi masithi singathanda into zomhlaba sithi abantu bengabi nazo. Ibana lakho kodwa akubuye kahle futhi njalo kubiswe nguNkulunkulu. Phela into ebiswe nguNkulunkulu brother Chris ayizi ukukulimaza wena. You understand? So what I was saying ukuthi zikhona into esizicela kuNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu akwazi ukuthi ubrother Moyo ngamnikeza lento izamlimaza noma ngamnikeza manje izamlimaza. You understand? So angilinde kuze ukuhamba isikhathi esithile. Have you seen ukuthi brother Chris ungathenga ipacket of sweets angithi unikeze ingane yenza njani yajabula ngithi and ufuna ukuzidla zonke same time lezi sweets you understand lama sweets la ufuna uvele avule ipacket lonke awadle same time kodwa wena ngenxa ukuthi uyazi ukuthi le ngane ama sweets la ngawadla same time azamenza izogula le ngane so you take the packet you put it away and then you just give one by one namhlanje umnikeza one kusasa umnikeza one phambi kokusasa umnikeza one angithi izagula le ngane ngenxa lama sweets no angithi so your packets of things that God is supposed to give you they are already there but he's giving you one by one are you willing to wait are you patient enough
uzomthuka
ukuthi hayi mina Nkosi dala ngukhonza isikhathi esingaka namanje anginalutho mara abantu abasezweni vele baphumelele you understand izithi mayikhuluma enye indoda laphana izithi the book of I'll remember le ndoda izithi mayikhuluma ithi khona izithi amahubo izithi Psalms izithi mayikhuluma ithi inyawo zami zizashelela lapho ngambona abantu bezizwe bephumelela kakhulu njalo abagula imizimba yabo iqinile brother Chris you understand uthi kodwa ngase ngingena eTempelini ngabona isiphetho sabo you understand ngase ngingena eTempelini ngase ngibona isiphetho sabantu abanjalo ukuthi baphetha ngani ngase ngibuyela futhi ngaba kubani kuNkulunkulu you understand so brother Chris kuNkulunkulu be content with what you have be content with what God has given you you understand lokho uNkulunkulu akunikeze khona ungamsoli kufanele vele ngenxa ukuthi emhlabeni uzophila isikhashana vele uzakudlula noma ungaba lento eziningi brother Chris uzakudlula vele emhlabeni you understand so what God has given you share with others abangela lutho and then you just go about you understand ngenxa ukuthi luyeza usuku lapha inkosi zadibonakala emafini brother Chris angithi bona manje siku December abantu bastashila ama rice lapha ezindlini nani bafuna ukuthi bayokudla emakhaya angithi zikhona intangane ezilambile brother Chris manje wena ustasha ukudla endlini kanje ama rice agarden ama 10 kg kanje ayeleleke endlini kanje wena uyigcinele izinto ukuthi uyapi ekhaya kodwa the very same intandane ilambile la you understand so luyeza usuku olunjalo brother Chris intodana yomuntu zadibonakala emafini utholakale wona uyelenganisa ama rice endlini engaka brother Chris you understand ucabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzothini ngawe wena okay intandane ilambile ihlelela ngeni brother Chris iyakhala lapha you understand ngize ngikhumbule la brother Chris when I was young there was a time lapha ngangahlukumezeka khona kakhulu brother Chris ngahlupheka kakhulu yazi that's why ngize ngitshethela ngeni yazi ukuthi endaweni la ngangihlala khona brother Chris kwakunedwala so laliphakathi kwensimu so nganginokuhlala khona so brother Chris ngehlala khona lapha ensimini yana phezulu kwaledwala ilanga lichisa brother Chris kwakunenye ingoma yazi ngayazi ngisasemncane brother Chris
thini
uze kube nini ngihlupheka baba kuze kube nini ngihlupheka njalo kuze kube nini ngihlupheka baba kuze kube nini ngihlupheka njalo Jehova mawungizwele Jehova mawungizwele Jehova mawungizwe lekuhluphekeni kwami ayathuthumela amathambo wami uyathuthumela umphefumulo wami just imagine a 7-year-old boy ehlelela ngene ecula ingoma njengale ekhala kuJehova wena uyelekanisa ama rice endlini kodwa you know what about God uNkulunkulu ngiyamthanda brother Chris he wasn't moved about that. Of course, he answered my prayers later, Kodwa at that particular time, he wasn't even moved about that because he was training me for a certain time. That is now. Manje umuntu mayehluphekile lambile brother Chris ngiyamazi umuntu elambile ukuthi unjani mina. You understand? Umuntu olambile mina ngiyamazi ukuthi umuntu mayelambile akakwazi ukulinda kusasa. Mawulutho ngindalo manje phela brother Chris ukhona umuntu othi mayebeka imali endlini. Athi le uyibeke lokwakha mawuni ngabuzo kwale imali ohluphekile akakunikeza yona. Ngenxa ukuthi uyibeke lutho oluthile uzufe wena ngendlala brother Chris ngenxa ukuthi le mali uyibeke lutho oluthile afuna ukuyenza emakhaya noma kuphi you understand so wena if you've been hungry before umuntu elambile brother Chris uyamazi you understand so uNkulunkulu sometimes ungamsola ngesituation yabudlula kuyo he is preparing you for something that you don't even know so mina as for now I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu what was he preparing me for you understand brother Chris angazi ukuthi uyangithola
no ngiyathola
so in closing yazi isikhathi esikhambile ngithi so love goes with forgiveness brother Chris awazi ukuthi uthi ungumzalwane uthuna uxole ukuxola it's a must we understand brother Chris forgiveness it's a must do you know ukuthi To forgive, you're not only helping the person that you are forgiving, you are also helping yourself.
Because holding a grudge is like drinking a poison that is gonna kill you.
Exactly, it's gonna eat you bit by bit, my man. You understand? Lento izakudla kancane and of which wena ngohlala unenhliziyo ebuhlungu ngaphakathi. Okay brother Chris, how would you feel lo muntu ekwenza into embi kusasa umbone ephumelela? How would you feel?
Feel bad.
Angithi wena you wish ukuthi ehlele ngamashwa angithi ukuthi ngoba lo muntu ungenze kanje ya vele kuzohamba kusasa kwenzakale kanje, you understand? Mayise ehlelwa ngamashwa yajabula. Okay, how would you feel if that the very same person who wronged you is continuing prospering? How would you feel? Bad angithi. So uNkulunkulu wathi asixole ukwenzela ukuthi sizikhulule thina kuqala ngithi ungafani lo David. Do you know ukuthi bakhona abazalwane manje esontweni brother Chris ababona ukuthi yena makunguye omoshile ubona ngathi yena uxolele kangcono kodwa makumosha omunye ubona ngathi kuwesi omunye doesn't deserve forgiveness. Yawathi brother Chris umzalwane engabanjwa manje ne yenza into ebhedayo noma udlwengulile brother Chris uhambe wayantshontsha umzalwane ngithi abazalwane they judge him very much. You understand? Abazalwane bazokujudge brother Chris ukuthi sometimes ungaveluyeke nokuyesontweni kodwa that very same thing mayenzwe nguye uyibona ukuthi yena it is good to be forgiven. He deserves forgiveness. Njengo David uDavid kwafika isikhathi amadoda athiwa ayesempini ngithi ayesempini na wangaya empini uDavid uthi amadoda la ngayesempini ngithi abathi mabesempini bachiya amakhosikazi wabendlini. So kule ndoda yayichiye indoda okuthiwa uUriya yayishiya unkosikazi wayo ngithi yayishiya unkosikazi wayo uDavid athiwa wayehamba ephahleni lwendlu mayehamba ephahleni lwendlu ubona umka Uriya uyageza. You understand? Mayembona uyageza uyamfisa uyahamba kuye angithi ungena kuye lo nkosikazi kaUriya. Mayise ngene kuye lo nkosikazi kaUriya ufika isikhathi ubamba isisu. Mayise bambile usisu uDavid uzama ukuvala ihlazo ubiza indoda kabani kaBathsheba esempini enguUriya ngithi ukuthi ayize izongena kuphi kunkosikazi wayo so that isisu lesi sibonakala ngathi ngesikabani lo mthwalo lo ubonakala ngathi ungabani ngomyeni wakhe. You understand? So le ndoda ngenxa ukuthi yayithembekile wayesazi ukuthi mawusempini awuzenzi izinto zokuhlangana nonkosikazi wakho. Mayefika uDavid uthi no hamba uyophumula usuku olodwa kuphi emzini wakho le ndoda thwayelala ngaphandle kwegedi lika David ayizange ngiye khona lapho. You understand? Kuthiwa uDavid futhi uyazama ukumphoqa ukuthi ahambe kuthiwa yayala ukuya khona le ndoda. So uDavid asebona ukuthi no kuzafika isikhathi kube lohlazo mina ngiyinkosi ngenza into efana naleyo. You understand? Kuthiwa utshela the army commander ne excuse me esempini ngale ukuthi thatha lo ndoda lo umfake ku forefront kulaba phambili ngithi yazi brother Chris ma ku forefront vele impi mayifika iqala ku uyazi ukuthi impi mayibuya bazonjani bazombulala lo muntu and then people out there we assume ukuthi lo muntu ushiye umfazi wakhe kanjani pregnant. You understand? And then they did that wabula uUriya. You understand? Ma uUriya sebulewe uNkulunkulu uthumela umprofeti uNathan ngithi uyafika kuDavid uthi David kuthiwa kwakunendoda yayinemfuyo eningi kakhulu. You understand? Ihlala neyindoda eyayinezinyane eli1 lemvu. We understand? Le ndoda yayinezinyane eli1 lemvu yayilithanda kakhulu izinyane layo lemvu ilana lasembhedeni nxa uthi into unayo iyodwa brother Chris iligugu ku. You understand? So le ndoda yayithatha iligeza lezinyane layo lemvu isidlala nesitshenisayo lapha edla khona mayishola ilala nalo leli zinyane lemvu leli. You understand? So le ndoda yayinezimvu eziningi yasisiba nezivakashi mayinezivakashi kwasokusenza ukuthi le ndoda enemfuyo eningi enenkomo eningi nezimvu eziningi nembuzi eziningi yathatha izinyane lo muntu onembuzi eyi1 yalihlabela abantu ababevakashile. Wena what's your judgment emuntwini onjalo? Usebuza uDavid ngithi uthi wena njengenkosi what's your judgment emuntwini onjalo othene lemfuyo eningi wathatha izinyane lalone ovene li1. You understand? uDavid uthi lo muntu onjalo ufanele ukufa nokufa imbala. You understand? Leli zinyane lo muntu lo uzalibisa seliphindwe kane. You understand? 4 times. Kodwa inkulumo yakhe ithini? Lo muntu oyenze lento ufanele ini? Nokufa imbala. uNathan mayiqeda lapho umprofeti uDavid lo muntu oyenze lento ngu. Ngenxa ukuthi wena you can have any wife that you want and uUriya ngumuntu kazana nje kuphela. You understand? Wena wasuka endlini yakho wathathela lo uUriya umuntu ovene nomfazi oyedwa. You understand? Waqeda lapho wambulalisa kuphi? Empini. Uwe David oyenze lento. You understand? Ma uDavid asebemtshela ukuthi uyenzile sebona ukuthi yena he deserves forgiveness. You understand? Uya kuNkulunkulu ekhala ngokuzithwa wazila ukudla walala phansi wayenza yonke into le ayenza ngithi kodwa enzama ukukusho ukuthi brother Chris omunye umuntu mayewonile angithi remember la ukuthi umonile uNkulunkulu at some point and now uyafuna ukuthi uxolelwe angithi so omunye umuntu mayewonile mxolele ngoba lawo njani uyafisa ukuthi uxolelwe angithi do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. Mina before ngibe ngumzali brother Chris, I'm sorry to say that angithi isikhathi nyabona sesihambile. Before ngibe ngumzali there was a time ngangidlala ibhola mina. Ngangifika brother Chris masidlala ibhola sibaningi kanjani sibe sibeka yazi ukuthi abantu babedlala ibhola niyafika nibeka ikipa zendlana namajezi wathi niyibeke la niyibuthelele wandawo la. So mina I used to ukuthi mase ngiswethi ne mase ngiswethi ngizobona ngizoqalaza ngibona ukuthi abadlala ababhizi la ngizothatha ijezi lika Chris ngisule ngayo. You understand? Qede ngilibuyisele. Uyayibona lonto. Ngithathe mangaba swethi futhi ngigijima ngithathe nangu ngithathele ka James ngisule ngalo ngiqede ngilibuyisele kodwa ngithe mase ngingumzalwane brother Chris angithi ngijwayele lento vele ngiyayenza ngagijima ngaye emajezini lapho ngithe ngifika ngakhumbula ukuthi okay makungabe kunguChris akade yenza lento kimi ithatha ijezi lami esula noma ngingamboni bengizozwa kanjani ngenxa ukuthi mina ngifuna ukusula ngelami ijezi angithi so what if nguChris okade egijima esemajezini esasula ngelami ijezi mina bengizozwa kanjani yikho kuba ngomzali brother Chris ukuthi nanoma ungabona lapho ungabona khona kodwa have that mentality you understand yokuthi what if bekwenziwa lento kimi mina bengizozwa kanjani do unto others as you would like them to do unto you exactly that's the mentality umzala nomela abe nayo brother Chris you understand that's how you can forgive omunye umuntu ngenxa ukuthi now uyazi ukuthi you wanna be forgiven by God ngenxa ukuthi at some point vele umonile uNkulunkulu ngazi uclaim kuba holo ungakanani brother Chris uyakubona ingane encane uyabona le ngane yami lencane ibithi mayisancane brother Chris angithi isono siyimvelo emuntwini brother Chris sizela nje ucashile uyi1 endlini siyakuzela isono uwedwa kungena omunye umuntu uyazi ukuthi le ngane brother Chris ngenkathi sancane ne uma waye bethi mayencelisa ne ethi mayencelisa bese kwenzeka ukuthi kuringa ifone lapho ebese beka lengane ethatha ifone ayithole singadle lapha seyikwatile lengane mayethi uyafaka lapha ibele seyiluma lebele ubani ufundisa ukwata ingane encane ubani ufundisa ingane ukwata ngoba incane lengane ayina even 2 months izelo mara seyikwata manje ukuthi seyenza noma yini you understand so isono siyimvelo emuntwini brother Chris siyaziletha ungazange wahamba uyasidinga wena ngaphandle ngenxa ukuthi abanye they claim ukuthi hayi mina angifebi you understand brother Chris angenza into ezikanje kodwa ulalo yini uthando brother Chris you understand even when you are alone brother Chris usathane uza emuntwini ngama thoughts uyakucabangisa into bese kusiba ukuthi uyayilalela uthi you understand noma uvela uthi sathane ngiyekele you understand so what I'm trying to say ukuthi isono siyimvele emuntwini la uyadinga ukuthi uNkulunkulu axolele so forgive every sin ongayicabanga ukuthi is unforgivable you understand noma umuntu wakuzwisa ubuhlungu obungakanani brother Chris uJesu lathi samzwisa ubuhlungu phela Chris sisazobhadala vele yathi uJesu bathi bembethele esiphambanweni uthola labo mama babekhona lapha bathi khona izono zakhe azibizwe phezulu labantu abethu mawungamkholwanga uNkulunkulu vele yena amazwi akhulunywa umama labantu usazowabhadala vele mawungazange ukhole uNkulunkulu igazi lika Jesu lelichithekele sesiphambanweni brother Chris elichithekela wena nanga sasazange wakholwa nguye uJesu usazobhadala vele you understand so that's what I'm saying I'm trying to say so in closing ukhona into brother Chris esingizwisa ubuhlungu abantu banamhlanje sebethanda izwi eli entertaining you understand sebethanda izwi eli entertaining elikhuluma izinto abayithandayo you understand ehambisana nabo so nxa ufuna ukubona manje even ama testimonies phela abantu bathanda ama testimony akho wrong brother Chris you understand ngenxa ukuthi you might find out ukuthi the very testimony that you are saying mina I'm going through it so by you saying that
you get healed
we understand by you saying that ngiyawazi ukuthi Chris nzenza so manje mawufuna ukubona angithi siyakhuluma manje la I don't know James if it's the subheading or the subtitle that one oyibeka phezulu lapho ubhale Moyo Head 7 Mkhovuzi and you see ukuthi izavuyiwa ngabantu abangaka ukuthi bazoyenzani ngemkhovu yami bazoyenzani imkhovu yami brother James brother Chris ukuthi mina ngemkhovu kuza kuyisezulwini ubhale I had 7 theologies there ubone ukuthi within few minutes nje kuzabe kune 1000 views 7000 views iza kusaphi imkhovu yami brother James iza kusezulwini mina ngemkhovu izosiza lo wena nomkhovu la uzoza ukuthi namfuku ulahle ngawulahla njani wami umkhovu akithi kodwa wena ongenamkhovu izokusiza indaba yomkhovu brother Chris ngiyakutshela brother Chris abantu bathanda izwi leli we understand so what in closing brother Chris angithi sengivala asibe nothando komunye regardless of ukuthi umuntu lo wakona, regardless of ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mawubona umuntu olambileyo ngenxa ukuthi incwadi ithi lo umphefumulo ophanayo awuzukoma lawo la uza kuphuziswa. I understand. uNkulunkulu uza ukukhumbula ngosuku phela kule ndoda ethiwa Hezekiel uthi mawayegula brother Chris esegulela ukufa ngithi kuthiwa kwathunya umprofeti uIsaiah wafika wamtshela ukuthi lokhu ukugulayo ngeke uzusinde kikho. You understand. So uthi uIsaiah mayesephuma endlini kuthiwa waguqa wabheka ebondeni wathi inkosi khumbula ukuhamba kwami. You understand. Khumbula ukuhamba kwami. So mayethe khumbula ukuhamba kwami uNkulunkulu wakukhumbula ngempela ukuthi ukuhamba kwendoda lebe bekulungile. Uyadeserve futhi lento le yayicela kimi. Kuthiwa uIsaiah before ephume kuthiwa izwi laNkulunkulu laselifikile kuIsaiah lathi buyele umtshela ndoda ukuthi ngiyafaka 15 more years ekuphileni kwakhe. Wena ulawa amazwi ukuthi khumbula ukuhamba kwami. Ungakhuleka kuNkulunkulu manje brother Chris uthi uNkulunkulu ukhumbula ukuhamba kwami. Okay mawuhluphekile ungela kudla wena. Manje brother Chris, can you say that to God? Ukuthi inkosi ikhumbula ngibanikeza izinto abampofu kungani nasendlambile. Can you say that?
Hey bro.
Can we say that as abazalwane? Ukuthi okay inkosi nanko mina I'm going through this situation but I have helped so and so, I have done my best, I have tried my best. Can you say that to God? Ngenxa ukuthi brother Chris ngithi wena uhamba kwakho ungumzalwane. Okay brother Chris ngithi abantu manje siyabala ngabo Petro. uPetro nabo Johane nabo Paul. Wena singabhala ngayo eBhayibhelini into ezafundwa ngabantu. Can we? Ngendlela brother Chris mina nawe esenza ngayo no brother James nathi emabandleni esenza ngakhona singabhala ngawe yini ukuthi abantu bakulandele ngenxa ukuthi uPaul uthi mawayefika ebandleni uthi bazalwane lingisana ukuhamba kwami wena brother Chris masingalingisa ukuhamba kwakho sizoba njani brother Moyo masingalingisa ukuhamba kwakho singabazalwane sizoba njani ngenxa ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu brother Chris osithi masingalingisa ukuphila kwabo manje ethule church izogcwala izifebe zodwa ngenxa ukuthi kwayena lo lingisana ukuhamba kwami uyisifebe yena. You understand? Kwalothi lingisana ukuhamba kwami akalathando. Wena lothi lingisana ukuhamba kwami akaxoleli brother Chris. So ma wena brother Chris singabhala ngempilo yakhe eBhayibhelini manje mawubhekile wena. Ucabanga ukuthi kuzayenzakalani? From the very same day you said when you gave your life to God ukuthi you are a Christian. From that very same day masingathatha sesibhala ngempilo yakho manje ukuthi izafundwa igeneration ezayo njengoba igeneration edlulayo thina sibala ngayo manje. Can you?
Aish.
So usunjela ukuthi are you ready to go to heaven masinjalo? Asi ready. Angithi besithi rapture manje si ready masasenjalo brother Chris. Ngenxa ukuthi the very same ukwahlulelwa kwabantu abahlulelwa ngakho lathi sizoyahlulela the very same thing. You understand? Ngenxa ukuthi lokho ababedlula kikho brother Chris back in the days is the very same thing lathi esidlula kiyo. Ngenxa ukuthi mawufuna imoto oqala angithi dala kwangelazi imoto la wayelifuna ihashi. You understand? Wena wakhulekela imoto kuNkulunkulu wangayithola wamhlubuka kuNkulunkulu yena wakhuleke efuna ihashi wangalithola kodwa wakhuleka kuNkulunkulu waze wayeshaya intamba ngithi engelali ihashi lelo brother Chris. Angithi so what I'm saying ukuthi asibe ndothando olunganqamukiyo komunye lomunye. uJesu uthi ngiqinisile ngithi baza kulaza ukuthi ngabafundi bamali njani malithandana abazukwazi ngokuthi lihubisa impahla phansi ngenxa ukuthi ungahamba lempahla ihuba phansi brother Chris umuntu akunyathela ubhozo manje uvelulwe manje. Akubonisa ukuthi ungumzane lo can you understand kodwa into ebonisa ukuthi ungumzane it's love lo muntu ongathandekiyo brother Chris. You understand? Bakhona phela abantu abangathandekiyo brother Chris umbona ukuthi lo muntu ungaze umthande namhlanje sasuyajinja umthande njalo ngenkani brother Chris. You understand? So that you earn your place in heaven. Phela mina lokuthi mangikhuleka kwesinye isikhathi ngithi laloba ngingasafanelanga ukuthi ngingene phakathi empusweni yezulu brother Chris. Ngcono ngibe ihlale esegethini la khona. You understand? Ngishisekela ukuthi ngcono ngibe imbokodo le ngaphandle brother Chris egethini. Edlo ngikuphi? Ngisezulwini. You understand? So achisekela into enjalo ngaphandle sengisisho lokho ugcina brother Chris. Ngaphandle kothando ngiyaphinda futhi. Akekho umuntu ozawubona umbuso wezulu engilathando. Incwadi yakhuluma ukuthi ungaze uyenze imisebenzi yamandla engakanani noma ungenzani brother Chris. Kodwa mawungelathanda abantu behlupheka phambi kwakho udle wona ubancishe brother Chris. Ulakho ukuthi ungabasiza ngenxa ukuthi incwadi kaZakhe ithi mayikhuluma ithi umuntu mayehluphekile brother Chris uthi wena ulakho kodwa uthi hamba uzabuya kusasa ngunikeze. What if that person dies from that hunger wena othezwe ocela ukudla kuwe wamncisha brother Chris? Okay or else mayisuku uzicela kuwena wamncisha wena then he goes on and commit crime bamdubule lapha afi. Kodwa wena kubunikeze lokudla beza njani? Ubeza sutho kwalelo langa ngithi brother Chris akasayi kuphi lapha kade ezayenza khona lento emba ngithi. So bazalwane emabandleni in closing asithandane ngothando lunganqamukiyo kungabi iziqumbi la phela church brother Chris manje kune group ka Chris kune group ka James
church phakathi
inside the church kune group ka Chris kune group ka lo laba mabe group yabo bakhuluma ngalaba laba mabe laba bakhuluma ngalaba
kwelinye isonto ngaze ngaba offended. So there's this guy standing at that door, so he's shaking hands, but kwabanye is like it's hugging them. You can tell, what's lava?
You see, impinches are
impinching, and I'm like, this is wrong, yes.
You see,
like because abazalo
the embrace yabona into yakhona le
uyabona ukuthi he's giving love or lies, just the greetings.
So that's what I'm saying, plus uhlebana vele church ngeke kuze kuphele, and uhlebana brother Kiss kuyisa abantu abaningi esontweni. Kodwa into enizokutshela yona brother Kiss, mabe hlebe wena, remember lawo wakwahleba omunye umuntu. Imlomo yabantu bonke echurch noma ngaze ngiyibone vele yakihleba omunye umuntu brother Kiss. Khumbula nawe ukuthi uyakuhlebe nawe. La ungeza ubuhlungu phela. Ngoba la uyakuhleba omunye musi. Why unisiza ubuhlungu kangaka ngaso kuhlethwe wena? Even khona bestudio kona akula mntu ongakazi ukukhuluma ngomunye umuntu kona. Ikhangela imlomo yonke kona ubone. Awukho umuntu ongathi wona umsulu wa brother Chris. La laba abazana abalalele besemakhaya. Akekho manje ongama lapha etheni umsulu okukhulumeni ngomunye umuntu. So wena why mase ukhulunywe ngawo kwata kangaka? Khumbula nawe ukuthi lawe lento uyenza omunye abakwenze yona nawe wakwayenza komunye. And forgive, move on.
Brother, thank you so much. See you next time.
uJesu Kristu lidwala konke okunye kuzodlula. Amen.
Amen. Jesu Christu inkosi. James, we out or?
We out.